A prayer against financial curses. I invoke my natural law rights over my own property and finances. I lift any curses sent against me or my property or finances. I reject any sins that may have led to these curses coming against me and ask for God's forgiveness. I break any unholy bonds that allow such curses to come upon me. I command the demons related to these curses to leave permanently and not to be replaced by any other evil spirits. I ask the Blessed Virgin Mary to receive now the entire and full right of disposing of these goods according to God's holy will. May she cast out any and all evil spirits, sanctify our goods, protect them from any future evil action, and use them for the glory of God. I, a faithless sinner, renew and ratify today the vows of my baptism. I renounce forever Satan, his pomps and his works, and I give myself entirely to Jesus Christ, the Incarnate Wisdom, to carry my cross after him all the days of my life, and to be more faithful to him than I have ever been before. In the presence of all the heavenly court, I choose you, the Mother of God, this day for my Mother and Mistress. I deliver and consecrate to you, as your servant, my body and soul, my goods, both interior and exterior, and even the value of all my actions, past, present, and future, leaving to you the entire and full right of disposing of me, and all that belongs to me, without exception, according to your good pleasure, for the greater glory of God in his time and eternity. Receive, O Blessed Virgin, this little offering of my servitude, in honour of, and in union with, that subjection which the eternal wisdom deigned to have to your maternity, in homage to the power which both of you have over this poor sinner, and in thanksgiving for the privileges with which the Holy Trinity has favoured you. I declare that I wish henceforth, as your true servant, to seek your honour and to obey you in all things. O admirable Mother, present me to your dear Son as his eternal servant, so that he has redeemed me by you. By you he may receive me. O Mother of mercy, grant me the grace to obtain the true wisdom of God, and for that end receiving me among those whom you love and teach, whom you lead, nourish, and protect as your children. O faithful Virgin, make me in all things so perfect a disciple, imitator, and servant of the Incarnate Wisdom, Jesus Christ your Son, that I may attain, by your intercession and by your example, to the fullness of spiritual maturity in Jesus on earth and in his glory in heaven. Amen.